Today is Ozzy's first birthday, and he's watching. Look. You gonna blow the candles out, honey? Look what Mama Jane's doing. Look how pretty everything looks.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ozzy.
Happy birthday to you. You blow the candles out, Ozzy? Good boy. Good boy. Happy birthday, little one. It's chocolate, so you gotta stay away from it. I love you.
Take pictures now of the cake.
I love you. Oh, he's coming around the other end.
Ozzy.
Okay.
This is our guest, Jetstar, holding Ozzy. Hi, Jetstar. How are you?
Happy birthday to Ozzy. Happy birthday to Ozzy. Happy birthday to Ozzy. Happy birthday. What you doing? Do you know today's your birthday, Ozzy? Huh? Jetstar is going to be singing. She's going to be singing your happy birthday song.
How do you open this?
Jane's having trouble opening the cake.
Hi, Ozzy.
Oh, man.
Ozzy's
Jet, not funny.
Fine. Oh, what Jane do? She bent the
What
cake.
the hell is this?
What happened?
What the hell is this? Is this supposed to...
Oh, yeah, pull it up. Oh.
Wait a
Oh,
minute.
what are you doing?
Wait, how are you supposed to do this?
Oh, hold on. What do you got there? Huh? Ozzy, what do you got there? What is it? What do you have? Ozzy! Can I see that? What is this?
Take it away from them. What's on the end of it?
The string. He keeps grabbing it when I look up. Okay. Ozzy, what is it, honey? Jane, the chocolate. What is it, honey?
today.
Huh? What are you doing? Where's that? What are you doing? What you got there? Huh? What are you chewing on? Your hat? That's your birthday hat, though. Your birthday hat.
Well, I don't want to destroy it because we can use it for another party. Dog.
Huh?
What are you doing to your hat? Huh? What are you doing to your hat?
Pull my chin.
What's that? Ozzy, look. Make the sound. Ozzy, come here, look. You're scaring me.
Open your gifts. It's so dark in here. Ozzy, we're gonna open up your gifts. Jane, you're in the light.
He's coming.
I know, but you're in the light. Come on, Ozzy. And open up your gifts. Come on. Come on. Get out of the light. The only light we have. Stay over there on that side. Come on, Ozzy. Come on, little boy. You want to open your gifts? Come on up. Look. Ozzy. Come on. Little stubborn brat. Ozzy, you don't want to open your gifts? Look at all of
All
this.
these gifts.
Thank you.
Look, Ozzy. What's in here? Look, Ozzy. Look. Ozzy.
Pick them up. You want to play with the gifts?
Look at all the toys. What's this? Ozzy toys. Look. Ooh, this is fun. Look at all the toys. Come on. What's in here,
What's
Ozzy?
that big long thing? What's the long thing?
I don't know. What's this, Ozzy? Look. Lucy's get in here.
You don't want to play with your toys?
What did Mommy, Jane, and Jack get you?
Oh my God.
What is this? What is that, Ozzy? It's a cat teaser. It's a cat
Open
teaser
it so you
toy.
can play. We're going to play with
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Brat.
Let's see. What does it do?
Ozzy,
What
it's your
is this?
birthday. Untangle it.
What's that?
You have to untangle it, no?
Hi. Let go. Ready?
Ouch. What is that? There's no light. What is it, Ozzy? What do you got? What are you pulling over there? Huh? What is that? What you doing? Can I play with it? What are you doing? Birthday boy?
Let go. You look.
He wants it all to himself.
Hi, Skippy. We still have one more gift for you, Ozzy.
Hi, baby.
Ozzy, you want to open the rest of your gift?
What's going through poor Skippy's head?
Hi, Lucy, guarding the food. Good girl.
Next time, when it's your birthday, we'll get you gifts.
Hi, Lucy. What are you doing in the corner with that toy?
Want to open the rest of your prezzies? No? Alright, there's one more gift for Ozzy that we didn't open yet. I wonder what it is.
Ozzy, look, another toy. Cat toy. What is it? Catnip toy.
Is it catnip?
Ooh. Oh, wow. Cute. What does it do?
It just, I don't know, it smells.
Really?
Ozzy.
Maybe Lucy wants to play.
Oh, Ozzy.
Give the other cats a toy. Let them share.
Ozzy.
It's too dark on this side of the room. Go get a lamp. Now he's gonna...
Look at it, Ozzy. Okay. Here's Ozzy's toys. It's his birthday today. It's Ozzy's birthday. Huh? Ozzy's birthday? What you chewing? No. Again. He's chewing it. That's not healthy. He's going to swallow it,
No,
James.
he's not.
Come on, James. What's do to it? You popped it.
Hey, Chewy! What did you do? You put a hole in...
You should have named him Chewy. Look at this.
Look at him.
Poor smiley face. It's crying.
It's Ozzy's birthday. He can do what he wants. My tattoo. Happy birthday, baby.
Hi, Skippy.
Poor thing.
So he doesn't chew any part of it. Goodbye, Smile.
Why?
You can't chew on that, Jane. That's like
Ozzy.
move your cup, Skippy.
Chewy.
What are you chewing on
now?
You're always chewing on things. Chewy. What's in there? Is there something in there, Ozzy? Jane. Hi, Lucy. It's my girl. She's jealous. Where's Skippy? Skippy. Put the light down. You don't put your hands up there. Chewy. Ozzy is a chewy. Chewy, chewy, chewy. Okay, did you have fun with the party? Huh?